Hello and welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. और आज हम कर रहे हैं What's in my hospital bag for mom. So I'm the mom. Still haven't become a mom yet. Still pregnant. I know last वाली video मैंने कहा था about to pop out any minute, and it's been 2 weeks since then. So I have no idea when this baby is coming out. Okay, anyway. मैंने हॉस्पिटल बैग प्रिपेयर कर लिया है. आई गेस जितना लेट मुझे फील होता जा रहा है कि द बेबी इज़ कमिंग आउट, आई एम जस्ट लाइक यू नो व्हाट, क्या ज़रूरत है पहले से पैकिंग करने की. ये बैग है हमारा. इसके कलर में मत जाइए, हमें नहीं पता है कि बेबी का जेंडर क्या है. दिस बैग वॉज एक्चुअली गिवन टू मी by my cousin, and it's actually not a bad bag. It's a cute bag. It's purple with daisies on it और बहुत practical है. Just waiting for that ice cream wala to pass by. So काफी spacious bag है. It has one big zip and then one small zip. Okay, big zip में right. So इस बैग के अंदर मैंने काफ़ी सारी प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें रखी हैं. I did not want to overpack. जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि overpacking की मैं चैम्पियन हूँ, मगर मुझे इस दफ़ा overpacking नहीं करनी थी because I just wanted to have only the things that I would actually need and nothing more. कुछ चीज़ें इस बैग में फिट नहीं आई, जैसे कि एक blanket. I've heard from people कि blanket रखना ज़रूरी है, so I'm gonna keep that. But obviously that will be kept separately. तो इस बैग में नहीं. First things first, towel. I think ये सबसे ऊपर इसलिए है because you never know when you might need it. I feel like क्योंकि मैं आजकल एक दिन में 2 showers तो ले ही रही हूँ, तो I'm pretty sure in the hospital I will feel super icky and I would want to take a shower. So सबसे ऊपर जो मैंने रखा है वो मैंने towel. Second thing जो कि मैंने काफ़ी research के बाद consider की है रखना, वो है ये. Now this is an adult diaper and it looks like this. Now honestly I don't know ये कौन सी brand का है. I asked my mom to get them for me, so I've just kept those. It's pretty like nice, but I feel like कोई भी adult diaper आप ले सकते हैं because I've heard कि after giving birth काफ़ी सारी bleeding होती है और आपका like वो जो area काफ़ी sore होता है, और अगर stitches आते हैं तो भी थोड़ी बहुत bleeding हो सकती है. So basically I've just kept something like this which I think is gonna be super comfortable. Like I could not bear कि मैं pad लगाऊं. मतलब वो जो feeling होती है ना when you feel कि oh my god like sore down there और उसके ऊपर आपको pad लगाना पड़े, I just could not bear that feeling. So that's why I decided. These are pretty soft by the way. And I'm gonna ask my mom कि अगर मुझे brand पता चल जाती है कौन सी मैं आपको बता दूँ. So I've kept those. Practical option. TMI, but you clicked on what's in my hospital bag, so this is on you. Next up we have this bag. Now this is a bag of toiletries और इसके अंदर मैंने सारी like नहाने धोने वाली चीज़ें रखी हैं. So first and foremost we have a shower gel. Anyway, so this is the shower gel that I've kept. This is the Body Shop Wild Jasmine shower gel and I have just kept that. मैंने रखे हैं कुछ shampoos and my toothpaste. अभी तक toothbrush नहीं रखा है because I'm still using that toothbrush because you know I'm still brushing my teeth. तो वो मैं रखूँगी. I just kept these mini scare stars के I got these as PR samples, so I was like you know what, I think they're a perfect size. ये पूरे ख़त्म करके अगर मैं आऊँ तो भी कोई मसला नहीं है. I'll just throw them and toss them if they're finished. And I kept that and I kept Aqua Fresh because ये एक extra toothpaste पड़ा हुआ था हमारे bathroom के अंदर. No idea how we had an extra toothpaste, but I just kept that. It's not really my toothpaste of choice, but और फिर मैंने एक moisturizing cream रखी. This is Victoria's Secret's Love Spell and it smells so good. तो ये मैंने रखी है और साथ ही में मैंने ये Velvet Petals का Victoria's Secret's का body spray रखा है. So that is to make me feel clean and tidy and just you know nice. basically. Next up we have this bag, और इस बैग में मैंने अपने सारा मेकअप रखा है और स्किन केयर रखी है. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do makeup. Maybe on the day जिस दिन मैं हॉस्पिटल छोड़ रही हूँ और वापस घर आ रही हूँ, maybe I'll do a little bit of makeup because I want to take some good pics and some nice pictures. So I've just kept sunblock. This is actually a very good sunblock. This is the Organic Traveler की Glow SPF sunblock. I have a discount code with them. This is a really good sunblock. Skincare के लिए I've just kept two things. I've kept this Garnier की Bright Complete 30x Vitamin C serum, और मैंने ये Organic Traveler का Niacinamide B3 Pro serum रखा है. So these two for that. I do have to keep a moisturizer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep my Neutrogena का. I'm still using that, तो वो फिर मैं बिल्कुल end में डाल लूँगी when I'll be like, okay, let's go to the hospital. अगर नहीं भी डाला तो I feel like vitamin C should be fine. Then I just kept some brushes. एक मैंने perfume रखा है. This is Chloe. This is like an empty bottle that I had, तो मैंने अपना perfume जो है वो उसमें थोड़ा सा transfer कर लिया. And oh my god, this perfume smells so good. This is Chloe का Love Struck, I think, or Love Spell or something like that. Then makeup में I haven't kept too much. I've just kept this Laura Mercier का tinted moisturizer. I've kept LA Colors का concealer. What is wrong with this bloody ring light? It just चलते बंद हो जाती है. आज ना मुझे हर चीज़ बहुत गुस्सा दिला रही है, by the way. So you have caught me on a very angry day. You know, pregnancy hormones. Thank you. I've kept this Pink Lash ka eyeliner, some lippies, mascara, or yeah, a blush. Kept the Tarte ka blush. Kept the DMGM ka bronzer. This is actually an amazing bronzer. Ye Maybelline ka pressed Stay Fresh powder. Beautify by Amna ka primer. And that's it. That is all the makeup that we have kept. मैंने एक ही lipstick रखी है because I feel like I don't really need the variety. I mean, अगर मेरे ऊपर हो तो I would probably keep like a red, a nude, a pink, and maybe like a deep berry shade. मगर obviously हम hospital जा रहे हैं, हम vacation पे नहीं जा रहे हैं. So yeah. अब हमारे आ गए हैं कपड़े. So I have kept a night suit. This is by Comfy Pajamas. और इस पे बस like smiley faces बने हुए हैं. And मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं ज़्यादातर black कलर के कपड़े रखूँ because मुझे like इस बात का बहुत डर है कि कोई stain ना आ जाए, कहीं से leak ना हो जाए कुछ, and I just that makes me feel really yuck. तो kept black basically, a lot of black stuff. के लिए मैंने कपड़े order किए थे Garnet clothing से, मगर वो अभी तक आए नहीं है. So I don't know if they're gonna arrive in time, क्योंकि मैंने हफ्ता हो गया उनको ऑर्डर किए हुए, मगर वो अभी तक नहीं पहुँचे हैं. तो अगर वो नहीं आए तो बस फिर हम यही कपड़े पहनेंगे जो मैंने रखे हैं. These black shalwars that I got from Ethnic. ये है size large because that's my size at the moment, and I'm pretty sure कि foreign baby के बाद size कम नहीं होगा, यही रहेगा. And I've kept this black कुर्ता. ये भी Ethnic का कुर्ता है. ये मैंने इस्त्री करके रखा था, मगर honestly इस्त्री जो है वो ख़राब हो गई है इसकी. So let me try and refold. Next I have kept this t-shirt. This is like my favorite pregnancy t-shirt, Nirvana की, because it's loose, it's long, and I absolutely love this t-shirt. इसके साथ के मुझे trousers रखने, they are in the wash. Black trousers मैं रख लूँगी इसके साथ, and then I think we'll be good to go. Then I have kept some socks, क्योंकि मैंने सुना है कि भाई hospitals में ना बड़ी ठंड होती है, तो socks रखने जो है वो बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. तो I just kept 2 pair of socks because I think 2 काफ़ी होने चाहिए. एक गंदा हो जाए तो फिर आप दूसरा उतार के पहन सकते हैं. I have kept some undergarments, and I've also kept a maternity bra. Now I've heard these things are really good because ये nursing के लिए बहुत अच्छी हैं, because like they have this flap that comes off and you can just nurse simply like without any issue. तो अगर आप इस चीज़ को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं then I would recommend check out दराज. मैंने ये दराज से ऑर्डर की थी. It seems okay quality honestly because ये आपको I mean नर्सिंग के टाइम पे जब आप like पब्लिक में हैं you like पब्लिक में तो नहीं like आप हॉस्पिटल में हैं you don't want to take your entire clothing off. I think these nursing bras are pretty good. Then I've also kept this. This is the Haka. ये मैंने एक अपने YouTube वीडियो में इसके बारे में बात की थी. Basically this is not really a breast pump. Oh by the way we have to get a breast pump because मैंने मेरी cousin she gave birth before I did. Like उसको I think 1 महीना हो गया and she told me that उसको नर्सिंग में काफ़ी इशू हुआ था. So I'm just thinking कि you know what, why don't we get a breast pump अगर हमें भी फ़ौरन सी इशू हो जाए. So maybe I'll get one before or maybe I'll get one if the issue starts. Like अभी पता नहीं obviously कि क्या होगा, तो वो uncertainty है. तो अगर होता है तो we'll just get it because we've already selected which one we wanted. I was thinking of getting the Spectra S1 because I've heard it's a really good pump. अगर आपने वो इस्तेमाल किया है let me know the reviews down below. आप मुझे suggestions भी दे सकते हैं कि if getting a pump beforehand is better or after like birth is better. So in the meantime I've just kept this Haka. इसके अंदर मैंने रखी थी the lanolin nipple cream and this I've heard from people is amazing. मेरे पास अभी सिर्फ छोटा size है but I think I'm gonna get the big one once I know how this is. मैंने इसके अच्छे reviews सुने हैं but obviously कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि उनके लिए बिल्कुल काम नहीं किया. So I'm gonna test it out. If it's good I'll get a bigger one. And then the Haka. Haka is basically supposed to be a manual pump. I need to wash this actually. Is a manual pump and you just like do this and it helps. But a lot of people say that like it's more better than just catching let down rather than being used as a pump. तो मैंने बस एहतियातन रख लिया है. I do need to wash this. अच्छा वो मैंने ये निकाल लिया because this is not washed. इसी और चीज़ें हैं बैग की front zip में. Now this is the grab and go zip. तो इसके अंदर मैंने रखा है ये lip pot and this is supposed to be a moisturizing lip balm. मेरी जो वैसलीन है ना वो ये है. So carrying this anywhere is so difficult because it's bloody huge. तो ये भी बहुत अच्छी है. ये Entice Cosmetics की है and I've just kept it. It's pretty moisturizing. Then I've kept my Zynosine, my nasal spray. Oh goodness guys, मुझे इतनी congestion हुई है ना last 4-5 weeks से. So I don't know if this congestion is going to stay with me या फिर ये ख़त्म हो जाएगी. तो इसलिए just in case because if I don't have this I'm literally like out of breath क्योंकि मेरी दोनों like नाक बंद हो जाती है, chest congestion हो जाती है and then I just can't breathe. So this is the only thing that has been helping me. So I've kept that. I've kept my deodorant, Ladies Speed Stick. Guys, अच्छा एक चीज़ मैंने जो notice किया ना pregnancy में ये थी कि I started to sweat a lot more. वो तो obviously everybody knows कि आपको गर्मी थोड़ी ज़्यादा लगती है because of the high metabolism that your body is facing and experiencing. But मैंने एक चीज़ notice की कि मुझे जो मेरे पुराने deodorants थे मैं Nivea के use करती थी and they just stopped working. Like even if I would put them on, I would still sweat. Like I would get sweat patches and that is gross. तो मैंने फिर गूगल किया कि कौन सा डिओड्रेंट है which just stops the sweat and it's this Lady Speed Stick. So अगर आपको वैसे ही बहुत स्वेटिंग होती है और आपके स्वेट पैचेस बन जाते हैं और स्मेल आती है then I would recommend you get this because this is amazing. साथ में मैंने ये एक चार्जिंग केबल तो नहीं प्लग रखा है which has a USB का वो. So I'm just gonna keep like my end stuff जो कि मेरी phone charging है, internet device की charging है, वो मैं संभाल रखूँगी. And oh yeah, also my power bank. I'm keeping my power bank because it is very important to keep that. Yeah, I hope this video was informative. अगर आप अपना hospital bag pack करने वाले हैं तो let me know if you found this video interesting and helpful. और आप मुझे कुछ suggestions दे सकते हैं what I should, if I've missed anything, then if I should keep it in my hospital bag. Let me know in the comments down below. Or yeah, I will now see you soon in my next week's video. Hopefully I will not be pregnant. Bye.